Hey everyone, Slow Rider here. So I'm here in the beautiful Myrtleford, which is a region of Alpine Shire. So this is about 280 kilometers away from where we live in Melbourne. We are traveling for 6 days around Victoria. Now some of you may not know that Melbourne was in a very strict lockdown. So we were in lockdown for about 276 days, if I'm not wrong. So it's the longest lockdown due to COVID. The original plan was to open it on the 5th of November, but they opened it a week earlier. But my plan was to go out as soon as the lockdown opens. So day one was from home to Myrtleford, but not just straight way. We went through Chocolatry in Yarra Valley down to Blackspur. So if you know, Blackspur is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful area to ride in. And then there were a couple of lookouts that I wanted to check it out. So there was this lookout in Eildon. My first stop for the day was the BP, of course, because I needed the fuel. My tank was half, so I filled it up a little bit and started making my way up to Diamond Creek. From Diamond Creek, I went to the Yarra Valley Chocolatry and Ice Creamery. The place is really nice. They didn't want me to do any recording there, so I just ordered a milkshake and I actually went outside and flew the drone. So this is the Yarra Valley Chocolatry. It's located in the beautiful town of Yarra Valley. It's only about 1 hour away from Melbourne, you know, from where I live at least. I just got a milkshake. I didn't get any chocolates or anything because all the chocolates are just gonna melt in there. So next time when we come with the family here, we'll order some chocolates and everything. I think we have been here once before, and this is the second time I've been here. The milkshake's really good. Got 2 flavors in there. But hey, it's a nice day if you want to come with the kids here and come with the family. Like the car park's already full there, you know, and the even place inside to sit there is full as well. Here on, we're gonna go towards Hillsville, and from Hillsville we're gonna go into this place called Eildon, and just gonna take a few lookouts, and then after we're gonna start heading back towards the main goal. Hello.
Yeah, mate.
How are you?
Good, mate. Been on a good ride.
Oh yeah, just starting now.
Travelling around.
Yeah.
How far are you going? Like for a while?
Yeah, 6 days.
6 days.
Yeah, just starting now.
Have a good trip, mate.
Will do, thank you. I kept on going and my next stop was to get to the Fog's Lookout, which is in Eildon. This lookout is also known as Mount Pinninger Lookout. It is a stunning vantage point that resides in Lake Eildon National Park. Before getting to the Fog's Lookout, I was riding right down the road and I saw this sign that says tourist attraction. It was just a random sign that says tourist attraction 300 meters ahead. So I was like, okay, let me check it out what it is. So I slowed the bike down and I found there was this beautiful statue of the two fishes going around. This place is called Snobs Creek Hatchery. They grow your fish. They've got about 200 of Victoria's inland lake fish, impounds and rivers, which support the conservation of threatened species to create more recreational fishing opportunities. They've been there for about 70 years now, and they've got about 2 hatcheries on that side. They also work on Murray cod and Macquarie perch and trout cod. When I was at the Fog's Lookout, you can see there is a lake, and on the lake there's people boating and there's like people jet skiing as well. It was the first time I actually used the master shots on the drone, which was pretty cool. So I'll put the master shot somewhere on YouTube just to see like how it randomly does, because I do not know what master shot was. So that was cool. After the lookout, I went into this place called Yarrick. I just wanted to have some food for the lunch, and it was a late lunch, about 3ish. And then from Yarrick, we went over to Benalla, where I was actually running low on the fuel. So I was actually running very low on the fuel, and I thought I would make it, but no. I actually took a little bit of detour to Benalla, then got back on the highway. Yeah, it's a freeway, it's not a highway. It'll take you to Sydney basically. Yeah, so I just before Wangaratta, I got off that highway. I took the road to Myrtleford. I did get rained on later on during the day when I decided to take a straight route here. I booked this caravan park, it was about $33 for the night. When I got here, they told me I can use any of the space that's here. They told me I can either like set up something over there or maybe over here, which was like a bit of grassy area. There was a forecast of rain, and this is my first ever camping I've never done camping before. All my gear is new, and I had no idea how to set it up and everything. So I figured it out. After a while. It was fun. When I first set it up, I didn't set it up near the power point. I set it up a little bit far, but then I realized that it's gonna rain, so I keep it near the power point so I can bring all my gear inside in the night when it starts raining heavily. The rain came at about 2 o'clock. The rain woke me up, and lucky I slept at 9 and woke up at 2, but yeah, I already didn't have sleep the night before at home, so I was like, okay. When I put my head there on the bed, I was asleep straight away. But other than that, yeah, it's actually a very good day.